The Envoy is a great three-piece razor with a straight guard suited for most everyday shaver. With the Envoy, you're going to have a fixed guard. If you want to change the way it shaves, you need to experiment with different kinds of blades. All the Rex razors also feature laser engraving on the bottom, and it's also going to have a unique serial number. Inside of the lid of the box is also a lifetime warranty. That's something that gives you the assurance that if you bought one of our products, if it has our name on it, we stand behind it. We made these for the everyday shaver. We made these as heirloom quality pieces, something you can be proud of, something you can hand down, and revisiting excellence, revisiting that golden time in the 1940s, 1950s, when things were made in America, things were made in quality, things were made to last. That's what we're bringing to the table with Rex. You can check out the different handle lengths, the different finish options, but definitely one of the most popular razors on the market today for stainless steel, American-made safety razors.